Gurudev, all the karma that we go through is for our growth, and this plan is said to be made by God. So, when a devotee prays for the karma to change, what does the Guru do? What is more powerful, a devotee's prayer or karma?
Listen, first understand what is karma. Karma is the latent impression in the mind. Three things. One is karma, latent impression. Another is that impression which has taken into action, which is into action. And the third thing is the result of the action. That is also called karma. We say, oh, this is my karma I had to undergo. Like, a happening, like it is raining, you can say it is my karma. It's raining. Should it rain today only? No. And I have arranged so many things and it is raining today, oh my karma. You say, oh karma. Then you don't want to get wet, so you take your umbrella and this is your karma that you do. You didn't take your umbrella, you got wet and you got cold, and so your action resulted in some result. That is also, you say, this is my karma, I got the cold. Got it? When you pray, what happens? When you pray, the mind goes back to its source. And the source of mind is the source of all energy. And from there, when you come back and act, you become more powerful. It's just like you go to sleep, you had a very good sleep, and then when you wake up, you are very fresh and you are ready to act. You are full of energy. In the same way, prayer connects you to your simplest form or the most basic form of your consciousness. And the consciousness is very powerful because it's like a razor beam. And so an intention starts to manifest there. See, we must understand we are all just energy. We are all radiating energy. Now, gurus, you sit with guru, then you feel the energy. You sit with a child, you see that energy. There is energy, joy or peace or power or strength. All this gets communicated through energy. To whomsoever you think about in your mind, that type of energy starts happening in you. Isn't it? Have you noticed this? You think about someone whom you don't like, or think about someone who is very angry, you start feeling that in your body. You see something beautiful and your body starts reacting to it, right? You feel, wow, so beautiful. So whether it is beauty or jealousy or anger or greed, all these vibrations, they're all vibrations only. These vibrations starts happening inside of you. Similarly, Guru's energy is enlightened energy. So they think of Guru, then you feel like that very light, and you feel the love, you feel the calmness, you feel strength, you become more intuitive. That is why Maharishi Patanjali in his Yoga Sutra, he said, when you want to go into samadhi or deep meditation, put your attention on the Vitaragas, on the Guru, on the saints, on one who is complete, who feels fulfilled.